media repository is where you can upload, manage, and store media content for use in your playlists. To get started, navigate to Media on the left-hand menu of the TelemetryTV interface. Here, you can see any media you've already updated. You can create new media folders or navigate to a different folder using the drop-down menu in the top left of your screen. TelemetryTV supports the upload of images, videos, PDFs, and PowerPoints. Click Upload to add media to your media repository. From there, you can drag and drop content from your computer or click Google Drive or OneDrive to import media directly from your Google Drive or OneDrive account. Once your piece of media is uploaded, you may download, duplicate, rotate, replace, or delete your piece of media using the buttons at the top. With a piece of media selected, you're able to edit its name and tags, as well as see file details like uploader, creation date, and size. Any media you've uploaded can not only be used in your playlists, it can be applied to an app you created or used as a page background. To add media to a playlist, select an empty page or zone section and select the Media tab on the right. You may drag and drop media content to upload it directly to your playlist. To save it to a shared folder in your media repository, click the Share icon and select the folder. If the media is not shared, it will be removed from your account when the playlist page is deleted. You can also add media from a shared folder by selecting the folder from the drop-down menu and selecting a file. When multiple media files are added, you can set a transition interval to create a slideshow within the page. You can also apply an entire media folder to a page or zone, and anytime content is added or removed from the folder, it will update automatically on the playlist. When a media zone is selected, you can set an animated zoom effect and other layout settings on the right. Thanks for watching.